I know it's been a long time and I haven't uploaded since few months actually, and it was a tough time actually for us and for me and my family. But it's all right now. So I'm back with the YouTube videos, and you will see me upload every weekend, every Saturday or Sunday. That will be a weekly vlog, and I will be trying to post a video on Wednesday, something like that. So there will be 2 videos. There might be, I'm not sure. We are here in Begum Bazaar and I am waiting. I didn't park at a parking place, and yes, there is no place like parking in Begum Bazaar actually. So I parked at a place. I am waiting here in my car, and mom and my brother went to shop and they are getting the things. So I have been sitting here for an hour now.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
So I got this new tripod actually. बहुत अच्छा tripod है. You can, it's a triple pod actually. You have 1 handle, 2 handle, 3 handles, and also guys you can just do this, and also one more thing is there which is hiding right here, which will be like this. So it is a very good tripod if you are vlogging, or if you want to shoot any of the video in your mobile phone or GoPro or any camera, you just have to go with this. So I have ordered this from Amazon actually. तो मैं उसका Amazon लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा. ये फ़ोन का भी एक हैंडल रहेगा. एक्चुअली दिस इज़ फॉर माई GoPro राइट नाउ. फ़ोन का हैंडल भी आप लगा सकते हो. फ़ोन का हैंडल भी आया था. दैट इज़ इन होम राइट नाउ. सो इट्स अ गुड प्रोडक्ट एक्चुअली इफ़ यू वांट.
बंद करो, हाथ जोड़ के मैं मोदी साहब से गुजारिश करता हूँ.
बोलने दे तकलीफ हुआ है बेचारे को.
If you want to buy it, check the description below. And my mom's shopping is done, and we are going to home right now. after a long time, she is still shopping. Okay, let's go home now.
Next day.
What I wanted to talk to you guys about is I just have a cool feature in GoPro. I didn't even know till now. I only didn't know that it has this cool feature of AI. Like this is an iPhone. If we are talking to it like hey Siri, Siri is available. So GoPro also has something similar to this. I will show you right now. I will record this on my phone because it can't record itself, right?
समझ रहे हो ना?
You have to click on preferences here. If you go to preferences, you will have voice control here. If you are able to do like hey Siri in iPhone, you can also do it in GoPro. You have to on the voice control here, and you have to wake on voice. आपको नहीं करना चाहिए wake on voice. You can do, but I don't prefer. Okay, we will do that also for your purpose. And these are the commands here. जो कुछ भी commands रहेंगे वो आपको यहाँ पे दिख जाएंगे, and आप भी कैप्चर हुआ. ओके, ये सब मैं अभी बोलूँगा तो वो कर देगा.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
So I am not telling those. You can see every command here. There are more commands. So these are the commands actually. If you tell those, the GoPro will do it like Siri. So let's try the first, second, third, fourth. I just wanna tell you guys how cool the features are in GoPro. That's it. So first one is that capture and all. Okay, let's go back. Okay, leave it. So GoPro capture. See, it started recording instantly. The voice recognition is very good in GoPro, I think. भाई जितने सेकंड्स में एक वॉइस लिया है और रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट किया है, दैट इज़ वेरी कूल एक्चुअली. like you won't have this even in phones. GoPro stop recording, it will stop the recording there. GoPro turn off नहीं होगा, turn off नहीं है comment. So if you want to know, if you forget any comments, you just have to go to voice and you have to go to command. See, you can have many. Actually it is GoPro take. I only told GoPro photo, so that won't be enough. The command should be appropriate, like they gave you, and you have all these time lapse, video mode. Okay, we'll do a time lapse now, but it is a good way to turn your GoPro on, start recording when you're not able to press the button. The button is right here. When you're not able to press the button, you have a tripod and you don't want to press the button actually, so you can just tell the GoPro to start recording or stop recording. So that is how the feature is. It is a very cool feature and it is very handy if you're not able to press the button, or if you're not able to record as soon as possible, because some moments, जो कुछ भी थोड़े moments रहते हैं वो instantly होते हैं. अब निकालो, बटन दबाओ, रिकॉर्ड करो, नहीं होगा भाई, हो जाएगा वो इंस्टेंट. सो इट इज़ अ गुड फीचर. निकालो GoPro, टेक स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग, दैट्स इट.
कौन है ये लोग?
वो बोल दो, खत्म, स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, आप रिकॉर्ड भी कर लोगे. एक्चुअली मैं इतने मेरे पास GoPro रह के आई थिंक अब 2 years होने आ रहा है. 2 years हो गया है, फिर भी आई डिडंट नो दैट फीचर. एक्चुअली आई डिडंट इवन लुक इनटू इट. So yesterday, day before yesterday, when I came to Begum Bazaar only, I was playing with the GoPro settings and I saw that feature. I saw the commands. Then I got to know. GoPro start time lapse. I haven't done vlogs in quite a while now because of some conditions. It's okay, those happens, those pass. After that you come out of it and you start making your life again. That is what I am doing. So don't mind if I am not posting in a while, because वो period में कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा होगा मेरे साथ. तो please understand that. Give me time. I will surely post videos. Okay. So thank you for encouraging and supporting me always. And also guys, Instagram पे मैं post कर रहा हूँ comedy videos और something like that. So please do check out my Instagram. कहाँ पे भी दे दूँगा, और you can check the link in the description. And also guys, I am thinking about opening a new gaming channel actually, because I don't want my content to be gaming in this channel. I want my content to be only vlogs and cinematic videos, something like that, in this channel. So I think I am shifting to another channel for gaming purpose. So वहाँ पे भी जाइए, subscribe button दबाइए if you are eager to watch gaming videos. I have time, I will be playing and will be editing those. So please take care of yourself and your family. And I'm going off now. I will meet you some other day. I don't know when. GoPro, stop recording.